Let's quickly bring in Shubrana. Shubrana is in Chirag, Delhi. Shubrana, what is the update on the ground? Are there more people who are now trickling in? We've had a slower day today in Delhi as compared to what was expected. Okay, before I actually go to Chirag, Delhi, where Shubh is joining me on the telecast in I also have with me Simran. She is in Patparganj. Simran, you have spoken to the BJP candidate who just a short while ago came to Patparganj and cast his vote. We have also seen the Aam Aadmi Party candidate who had earlier cast his vote. What's the update on the ground? Are there more people now trickling in?
Well, absolutely, as the voter turnout has clocked over 20% right now, let me also bring in a view of these voters who have just in a fresh mood have cast their vote. As you can see, these wing fingers, the women cadre, Megha, that we are in fact standing with, along with the few family members as well. The women force is right here, and let me also get across to these people. As you can see, even a person on the vehicle is showing me that they have cast their vote. So huge participation, by the way. But right now, let me firstly go across to these voters and speak to them about what are the core issues on which the vote are being casted. आज क्या सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा है? दिल्ली वालों ने बहुत सोच समझ के वोट दिया है या फिर उनके जो मुद्दे हैं वो ही पुराने वाले हैं?
नहीं, बिल्कुल बहुत सोच समझ के वोट दिया है। और मुझे जहां तक लग रहा है ऐसा कि पहले लोग सोए हुए थे, अब जाग गए हैं। बिल्कुल जाग गए हैं। और इस बार 101% में तो खुल के बोलूंगी कि बीजेपी ही आएगी। हमारे मोदी जी इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, वो तो मुझे लगता है कि एक साधारण इंसान है ही नहीं, वो कोई अवतार ही धरती पे आए हैं। जैसा कहा है ना, कल की आने वाले हैं, उसमें तो मुझे तो वो ही लगते हैं। इतना रात दिन मेहनत करने वाला दूसरा बंदा कोई हो ही नहीं सकता। बीजेपी ही आएगी इस बार, मोदी जी की ही जीत होगी। और फिर देखिएगा आप डिफरेंस अब में और तब में। आजकल आप देखिए, हम शाम के टाइम अगर चिल्ला गांव की तरफ जाते हैं, लोग शराब में धुत रहते हैं। उनकी लेडीज से पूछे ना कितना बुरा हाल है, वो बेचारी ना कमाती हैं, दिन भर वो मेहनत करती हैं, घरों में जा के काम करती हैं, लेकिन पैसा कौन ले जाता है? पैसा सारे वो, बस क्या बताऊं कौन ले जाता है, झाड़ू पे ही झाड़ू फिर रही है इस बार।
जैसे वोटर्स के मन की बात हो रही है, महिलाओं के मन की और बात करते हैं। माता, आपने वोट दे दिया है आज?
हाँ, दे दिया वोट, मोदी को दिया।
क्या माता जी, क्या सोच के आपने किन मुद्दों पे
सोच के दिया कि हमें खाने को मिले।
अच्छा,
और का भूखे में नहीं मर रहे हैं हम सब।
रोजगार,
हाँ, और का रोजगार मिले,
बच्चों के लिए नौकरी।
हाँ, बच्चे के लिए नौकरी मिले।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
और औरत के क्या विषय हैं दिल्ली के अंदर?
अब के विषय बतावे?
महिलाओं के क्या इंटरेस्ट और हित की बात है? दिल्ली में देखा जाए तो महिलाएं बहुत ज्यादा भारी मात्रा में जब वोट करती हैं तो वो सरकार बनवाती हैं।
हम तब भी यही सोच रहे हैं बीजेपी आ जाए, हमारी दिल्ली का भी विकास हो जाएगा, बच्चों की भविष्य बन जाएगा अच्छी खासी इन्हें। और कुछ नहीं, जैसे सबका जैसे मतलब विकास होगा हमारा, बच्चे भी आगे बढ़ेंगे। हाँ, हम यही सोच के कमल पे ही वोट डाल रहे हैं।
और इस समय अब और बात करते हैं तो अगर हमारे पास विमेन वोटर्स में काफी यंग वोटर्स भी हैं, एंड लेट मी आल्सो ब्रिंग इन दीज वोटर्स। यू हैव कास्ट योर वोट ऑन व्हाट इश्यूज एग्जैक्टली द यंग वोटर इन द नेशनल कैपिटल इज लुकिंग टू कास्ट देयर वोट, एंड व्हाट आर दीज इंपॉर्टेंट इश्यूज व्हिच हैव नॉट थॉट ऑफ अर्लियर?
We vote for education and like health and such policies. And we vote for really true development, not just a narrative of.
What is a true development by the eyes of the youngsters?
We see that schools have gotten better and better, and we see that the people who didn't have many things in the past, they are getting a lot of things now, and we believe that in the last 10 years a lot of change has come, so we voted for betterment of the people, truly.
But what are the core issues given from a young perspective? What is that core issue that comes to your mind when you think of voting in Delhi?
I always think about education and unity and like health benefits, health policies और इन सब बातों पे.
And what do you think in the area of Patparganj has become also the important dinner table issue before you cast your vote and think for the party that you're voting?
A dinner table issue?
Yes.
The issue is that many people, they have been told that, you have to vote on the basis of your religion and all, and we don't believe in that. As a young generation, we care that people should be benefited from the taxes that we are paying, and we don't believe in polarization and all. So this is quite a conflict that is there in some generation, young and old.
All right. I also have one young voter with me right now. You have voted, and can you show the finger to the cameras and also let us know what are the core issues by the perspective of a young person who is also wanting to see the change and bring in some development? What is that issue?
For us, Delhi elections are more localized, so we generally tend to see of who would like to do groundwork and who would work for the people. I think there's been a lot of development here in the area, especially. So I voted for like who I believe would be working again for the people here in this area. So yeah, that's
Is
majorly.
pollution an issue for the young generation?
Yeah, definitely. Like I think this generation really is very health centric and they're very health oriented and they have a sort of idea of what they want in life and what might be harmful for them. So pollution is a big issue, and I think because of Delhi's geography and how it's located, it's a very complicated issue as well. So I hope it gets resolved. There's state governments, central governments involved there. So I hope that gets resolved in Delhi and people can breathe clean air.
Clean air is also one of the very important issues before the young generation thinks of casting the vote. That they do?
Yeah, they do.
All right. In fact, the young voters are there, the women voters are there. There are, of course, voters from all across the region wanting to put their minds forward, and that is the sense that we are tracking from the ground. Here in Patparganj, from the East Delhi constituency, where there is a hot contest between the three parties. But what remains to be coming out as a result and who remains to be getting ahead in the race is what we are going to look forward to on February of 8th. But the voters here so far have been very excitedly and enthusiastically coming forward and casting their vote and exercising their
absolutely.
right
I
to
see a lot of
democracy.
young
Megha, back
faces also who have now started to come in. Maybe they had, decided to sleep in the early hours of the day because it is a holiday that has been declared by the Election Commission, by the Delhi government, because it is the voting day. Therefore, they want more and more people, all Delhiites, to come out in huge numbers to cast their vote. So now we see, perhaps, hopefully, the voter turnout may improve as we go into the latter half of the day. Also with me on the telecast is Shubrana. Shubrana is in Chirag, Delhi, Mehndi Garg. She